So I made a bot with AI. Yeah, that's it. Let me just show it. I'll be having the bot on Discord because the bot creation is actually very nice. And I can have the bot's chats alongside my other DMs with it. I'll also be using Orama to use some of the models to self-host. But sometimes these models can get a little bit too chunky. Realistically, the best models would be like between 4 and 7 billion params, so that could be fine for my own device even. However, I noticed that they recently rolled out like a cloud support, which I did not see before. So that's pretty neat. I could use that sometimes. Even though they say they don't retain your data to ensure privacy and security, I really doubt a tech company, especially its parent company being Meta, that they're not selling my data. I know they're selling my data, but I just can't prove it. But it's pretty nice to not have to use your own device because these models, yeah, just use up so much resources. It has a handful of actions it can perform, such as replying to my messages, ignoring, debugging its own info, setting up reminders, which is the most important thing I want, and saving some information to its memory. What I did not mention is the way the bot retrieves the memory, which it literally depends on the AI itself if it wants to read the memory or not. If I were to say something like, my favorite color is purple, it should then remember that, which is fine at the moment. But then later on, in like 100 later messages, or if I would create a new session, I would ask the AI what my favorite color is. There's a chance it would try to read the memory or not, which is not really good to do. And I found about something called RAG, where now instead, whenever I send a message, we pass through a database and check each item, how relevant it is to the sent message, and we include that into a contextual data alongside the message, which that as a whole gets sent to the AI, which then it evaluates a response to that.